Extremely versatile. Extremely powerful. Game-changing performance. The Symmetry series by Midstream Lighting. Light shield specially designed to deliver high uniformity on the field with limited light spill to your surroundings. Stainless steel construction, critical for structural integrity and long life. Extremely low weight, compact design, and reversible angled brackets significantly reduce time and cost of installation. The Symmetry is extremely efficient, providing the light quality you need where you need it with fewer lights, cutting energy usage drastically. And quality manufacturing reduces maintenance and downtime too. With integrated wireless capabilities, take complete control and light up only what you need. Don't compromise. Upgrade your sporting facilities and upgrade your performance with the Symmetry series by Midstream. Transformative lighting technology.